Are you a guitarist or a DIY lover or want to rewire your guitar with a premium potentiometers that actually compensate with the harsh weather in our Indian environment? And yes, maybe I bet that you are looking for a long for CTS potentiometers or alpha potentiometers. Here we have it all in our stock. So this is the potentiometer range that I am going to show you. This is the CTS brass segment, this is the CTS normal aluminum segment, and this is the alpha segment. So everything that you are looking for your guitar or your amplifier or your DIY related issues, we get it all covered. So this is the premium potentiometer. You can see the name. This is the proper CTS potentiometer having the proper environmental shuttle knobs over here that you can use it. And this is another one. These are 250k, 500k, and everything available. This is the brass. It's a little bit less costly but works a charm like one. So this is the alpha one. This is the original alpha, and this is the one that you need to use it in your Fender style. So we got it everything on cover. So visit us in our punoscho.in. The description of these products and the links are given below in this video. Please subscribe to us for getting more information about audio related products in punoscho.in. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Have a nice day. Bye bye.